Remember when you spent all that money replacing dull, rusty tools, from deburring ragged edges to cleaning objects to sharpening blades. This WEN 6 inches bench grinder is the ideal companion for any workshop. These machines allow for the simple resuscitation of dull blades, scissors, screwdrivers, and more, compact yet powerful. The WEN 6-inch bench grinder provides reliability even in the face of the most difficult tasks. Our package includes two 6 inches by 3/4 inches wheels, a 60 grit wheel for material removal and general purpose grinding, and a coarse 36 grit wheel for faster material removal. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. With our quiet 2.1 amp motor, expect quick startups, smooth performance, and steady speeds of 3,450 RPM. This fast speed is ideal for deburring unwanted edges and rust removal. Built with you in mind, our design makes wheel guard removal simple for easy wheel changes. The included eye guards can adjust to prevent them from interfering with your project. Also, don't forget about the flexible work light, helping to illuminate your grinding for an increase in accuracy and precision. Of course, as with all WEN products, our 6-inch bench grinder is covered with a 2-year warranty, a friendly and knowledgeable customer service hotline, and a national service network. No need to waste any more money on new tools. The WEN 6-inch bench grinder will save you money by leaving all of your tools as sharp and clean as the day you bought them. Remember when your blades could actually cut through something other than butter. Remember WEN. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Sturdy base. Our heavy-duty base reduces wobbling during operation and ensures safe mounting. Number 2. Flexible work light. A flexible work light illuminates the workspace, promoting accurate sharpening. Number 3. 2-wheel grits. Use the 60 grit wheel for general purpose grinding and the 36 grit wheel for faster material removal. Number 4. Protective eye guards. Eye guards provide vital protection from sparks and debris for safe operation. Number 5. 2.1 amp motor. Number 6. 3,450 RPM at no load. Number 7. 6 inches by 3/4 inches wheels, 1.5 inches arbor size. Number 8. Lightweight design, weighs in at 16 pounds. Lamp, 120 volts, 40 watts. Number 9. Work light for maximum precision and visibility. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.